Everybody, so you want to use Soundalerts with your Streamlabs mobile setup, and it is quite easy. What we are going to do is we are going to navigate out of here and to your web browser. Inside your web browser, you're going to look for soundalerts.com, either through a Google search or just go to soundalerts.com. You are going to go to the dashboard, which is right up over here. If you don't see this, it'll be in a little 3-button options up in the top right. If you're not signed in yet, it'll ask you to sign in through your Twitch page, and you're going to come in here. Now, if you have not set this up yet, I do have a video on setting up your stuff, and I'll link it up here in the top right hand corner, and it'll also be down in the description for Soundalerts. Right here, you're going to go over here now to the settings. Inside the settings, you're going to go to the third tab, which is setup, and you're going to go to I use something else, and you are going to copy that link that they give you. Now we're going to navigate back over to Streamlabs Mobile. Excuse that because I'm recording right now, so it's going to mess up a lot. If we come up here to the top right hand corner again, that is where the settings will be for most things. We're going to go in there, we're going to go to editor, and we're going to go to the top right once more to layers, add a layer, add a custom item, add a URL, and as I said, it's going to mess up a lot for me. So there is the URL for my Soundalerts, and of course I'm going to block that out so you can't see it. And now it's going to be right here. Now if you're on a mobile platform, it's not like it is on PC. No matter what you do, this is never going to have the pop-up that shows you who's redeeming what. It does not work. It's not going to size right. Just size it down and all the way to the corner. You're more worried about the sound alert playing than you are about it showing recognition on the stream that somebody redeemed it. And I hope that helps you guys out a lot. And if it doesn't, make sure you leave some comments down below. Let me know what else you want to know how to do on here. Later.